how to refill a TN2320 BrotherToner. Take out the screws and the plastic cover located on the side. Take out the gears to access the refill hole. Get rid of the old toner. Refill the cartridge. Place back the cap. Place back the gears and set the reset lever. Be careful to set all elements at the right place. Put back the plastic cover. Put back the cartridge in your printer, and there you go.
Come on ncrows.com to see our products for inkjet or laser printers.